Okay, I've told it to clean this little area in front of my bed. Okay. Okay, it spins both ways. So far, so good. Puts the mop down. Turns around. So both wheels are working fine. I can see that. It's supposed to be pre-moistening the mop, but the pump's not going at all. Where is it? Oh, it is. Okay. This is further than it's ever gotten, so. Oh, there it is. There's the red light. So yeah, once it's done pre-moistening its pad, just error 15. Which isn't a wheel. I just saw it go both ways. I know the wheels work. There it goes. Error 15. And it will just stay here until I pick it up and put it back in its home base.